G'day legends, welcome back to
Adventure Prime Family. Oh, the kids are in
Oh! Right hand down! So today, sorry it's been a while, we haven't made any content, been pretty busy, and all the content that I did have for videos, it's all lost on a hard drive that decided didn't want to work anymore, so still trying to recover that. But in the meantime, we'll get on to this. So today we are going to install the most budget UHF system I could find that was reasonable. So I think I got the cheapest Oricom UHF. It's the UHF030 Compact, 5 watt, and that's all I'm going to need. And then the cheapest UHF aerial, which is a 477 megahertz. It's only a little one, but it's going to do the job that I need. I just got these from Super Cheap. I will put the link in the description below. But yeah, for what we're going to use, it's only going to be really on the tracks, giving shit to the bloke that gets stuck, really. Or yeah, we won't get lost.
No.
Fingers crossed.
Yes.
But anyway, we'll get on. We'll open this up, see what comes in it, and throw it in the car, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, we got a sticker. It's most important. The destructions and something. Bit of wiring.
Looks like it'll be pretty long.
Oh, it's already fused up. It goes to the battery. That goes to the battery. That pins straight into the back of the UHF by the looks. And that is her. So what do we got? Just a squelch, dial, scan menu, DPX, PRI, don't know what that is, probably never use it, call button, volume, shit doesn't work, and the channel's up and down, so nice and easy. Just got a plug there and that antenna input, so it won't be a bad little unit.
The mounting thing.
Alright, look at the little handpiece mount. Got the handpiece, got the quick change buttons up the top. So, and it's got the bracket and a few nuts and screws and bobs and bits. So, everything you need to throw in. And a fuse. And a connector. Alrighty. Let's get this in. Right, so first things, gonna figure out where to put it. By the looks of it, it's already had one mounted here. So instead of putting new holes in, I'll reuse those holes. Hopefully they'll even line up to the holes in the bracket. So that'll be sweet. Good spot for it. And it's already got the handpiece holder, but Caprice wants to change it out, don't you? Hey? Put the new one on, and then we'll start finding some wires. Alrighto, so that'll sit nicely just there. Now, got to figure out what we're going to plug it into on the accessories. So it turns on and off with the key, and don't worry about turning it off and flatten the battery. So it's nice and close to the cigarette lighter, but I'd rather not piggyback off that. I will find another accessories under here somewhere, but pull someone's dash out and see what we can find. Plug that in, run the aerial, and should be good to go. Alright, so we have the multimeter out. Just got that on volts, and I've just got the earth over on a earth over there, and I've got the pointer and found a wire that's already been soldered before, so that is coming straight off the back of the barrel. And if you hold that, Chris, when I turn the key on, we're getting 12 volts. Turn the key off, we get no volts. So that's the wire we are going to solder into. You can use these little joiners if you want, but I'm not a fan of them. So solder everything up, don't have to worry about it, then it's all going to be good, and you don't have big bulky shit everywhere. So I'll solder that up, put the earth onto that screw over there, and we have power. Just got to put the aerial on. Bob's your bloody auntie. Let's do this.
Bob's your uncle, you mean?
What are you up to, Chris?
Putting it on. Alright.
You going to put the aerial on?
Yep.
Rightio. You got that sorted?
Yep.
Righto. I'll leave it to it then. Don't bugger it up.
No promises.
Righto, so aerial's mounted. Just going to run this cable up along here, zip tight a couple of things. Run it down through the firewall where I ran the power for the drill battery. Then straight to the UHF.
Not going through.
Going through?
No.
You want me to have a crack?
Yes, please.
Well, that plug, just slide the two wires in, plug straight in, plugs into the back of the UHF.
Now I got power.
Up here.
The car needs to be turned on. It's not coming through.
Oh, guess what?
What?
Haven't put the earth on.
Oh.
I'll wire that up, huh?
Yeah.
Whoops. Let's see if she works.
Channel 40.
She bloody works. Alright, let's test it, Bruce.
What do I say?
Can I get a radio check?
Can I get a radio check?
Yeah, you're working, mate.
Well, the UHF works. Probably took about half hour to get it in, reckon, Bruce? Yeah.
Probably about that.
So, went with Oricom. They're 100% Australian owned. It was cheap. It was on sale when I got it, but I think it was 170 something bucks. I think 200 and something without the sale. The aerial's 35 bucks, I think. And yeah, just goes to show you don't need the big dollar gear. You can get out, do the same thing. You don't have all the extra shit and functions that I'm probably not going to use anyway. So there's no need for it. Well, we're going to clean up, put this dash back together, and yeah, any questions, hit us up in the comments, but pretty self-explanatory if you're looking to put a UHF in. But
Sticker.
oh, where do we put the sticker? Well, tune in next time. See you on the next one. Catch up.
Bye.